Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a skincare routine. I've been getting a ton of requests for this, so we're back in my bathroom here and we're about to take off this makeup and do my skincare routine. Now, of course, I decided to extract this morning because you know when you sit in front of the mirror and you just start picking at your face and you just can't stop. Like, you know it's a bad idea. You're like, pull back. There's somebody on your shoulder saying, stop it. You just can't. That's what happened to me today, but it's fine. I'm still gonna do the skincare video because that's part of life, so let's do it. First things first, I'm gonna just put my hair up in like a little chonga. Boom. First thing I do, these are Costco Kirkland brand makeup wipes. I've been using these forever. I love these. I feel like they take off all my makeup. I feel like they're not super scented. I feel like they don't make me break out. They don't make my eyes irritated, which some makeup wipes do. And we're just gonna take off all of this makeup. Goodbye season 10, Shayla X ColourPop. Going, gone. See, look, I did a little extracting. It was fun, I have no regrets, okay? No regrets. Get up in that hairline. I think I just got red lipstick all over my neck, honestly. It's okay. I usually use this to take off all my face makeup, okay? This is step one. Now, for my eye makeup, I like to use the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover because I have lash extensions and I don't want to use any oil on my lash extensions because that makes them fall out faster and I don't want that, okay? I'm just gonna take a little Q-tip here and run it on my eyelid. Just do like this like really gentle rolling motion. And you know, under eye as well. Now that I feel like I got most of my makeup off, it's time to cleanse. I love to use this Sanitas Lemon Cream Cleanser. This is something that one of my estheticians gave to me, Crystal, and I've been using it ever since. It's just like a very nice mild cleanser. There's nothing abrasive in it. It's not super crazy. It's just like a nice everyday cleanser. It doesn't strip my skin. It feels nice and milky. It smells like lemon meringue pie. It smells like just, like, I'm just gonna take a little water on my face and then I'm gonna take a pump. I love that it has a pump. Start working it into my skin. Oh yeah. I've been using this cleanser on and off for a while, but I just find that this one, I don't have to change it with the seasons. You know how sometimes you have to change certain things with the season if it strips your skin a little too much. After I've worked a cleanser into my skin, it's all up in there, I'm gonna take this little guy. This is a exfoliator that Crystal also gave me, and it's just really nice. I love to give my skin a good exfoliation. I do it about like 4 times a week. I'm gonna grab this guy, and then I start to work this into my skin with the cleanser, especially around my nose where I get the most oily, where we tend to get more blackheads. And then anywhere you have a breakout, like try not to go over the breakouts. It's not good to deep exfoliate over breakouts. Up the neck. I feel like right here sometimes I'll leave some makeup, like I just always forget. I'm on my dot right now, okay? And so I've got these hormonal breakouts, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Mother Nature, yeah, I love you. I hate you. I'm really hyper because I've had a lot of coffee today. Now it's time to rinse, baby. Just know I'm down here rinsing, okay? Always want to pat dry. Now my skin is squeaky clean. Or is it? There's always shit left over on my face. That's why I like to use toner, okay? Toner is like everything to me now. I used to be one of those people that was like, what's toner? It's fraudulent. Toner doesn't do anything. Like, you know, is it one of those things that they just tell you to use for marketing purposes to make more money? I don't know. That's what I thought. Until I got this toner. You guys know I've been obsessed with it. I've been using it since we all did squad tour in Australia, which I don't even know how long ago that was. Steven actually bought me this. What an angel. This helped me so much with my breakouts. You see, I still have some spots from where I used to break out a lot, and now they've introduced a new toner. This one is the blue dark spot toner, which is great for my skin because I tend to get hyperpigmentation and dark spots linger after my breakouts. So I'll tell you what I do now. At night, I use this toner all over my face. If I have certain breakouts now, I'll just use this on my breakouts. In a sense, like a spot treatment. I'm gonna take one of my silk pads. I get these on Amazon. I will link them as well. I'm going to use this toner all over. Boom, boom, boom. And then I just like to pat it in. I don't like to rub it too hard, especially where I have the spots lingering. I swear they're almost gone. This blue one tends to have a little bit of like a bite. It's kind of sassy. It's not that bad. It's just tiny. Okay, perf. You always want to let the toner dry down before you put any other products on it. Now, this is what I do if I have breakouts. I got a tip from Ula himself. He told me to soak the pad and just stick it on to your face and let it sit there for a little bit. I just walk around like this and like right here, boom. And I just do this on like the major breakouts that I get. Put this on and I sit for about 10 minutes and I scroll on Instagram and I see what everyone's doing and Steven gives me weird looks, but it works. It like shrinks and dries up my breakouts so well. And I just love the way this feels too. It's so cooling. And then I just take them off. So I know now you may go in with your serums and stuff like that. However, I just cut serums out of my skincare recently because I think it's just because I got a little lazy, but then my skin was looking like nice. So I figured, let me just not do it for a while. And this is what I've been doing. I haven't been using serums. Oh well. I've been using the OLEHENRIKSEN C-Rush Brightening Crème. So I get a dollop of that and I put this all over my skin. Okay, it makes your skin glow and it really looks nice under makeup too. I do the same exact routine day or night except minus the blue toner I don't use during the day. When I went to get a facial, they started doing this to me. So now sometimes I do it to myself. I'm just sitting here hitting myself. I don't know what it does. I'm probably not even doing it right, but it makes me feel like I'm doing something like luxurious. So what I'll do during the day is I'll put this moisturizer all over my skin and then I'll just spot conceal any breakouts I have with a little concealer and your skin looks so healthy and radiant and I love that look. So next eye cream, I know bougie, it's La Mer, but if there's one part of my skincare that I'm gonna be bougie on, it's gonna be my under eyes, okay? Because they need hydration and my under eyes are bougie. They are. They want La Mer eye cream. I've gone through many of these jars. And what I like about this one is it's super hydrating, but it doesn't give me milia bumps. I tend to get milia bumps with certain eye creams if they're too heavy, and this one doesn't. And I also love this one because it makes my concealer look really nice. It just hydrates the crap out of my under eyes. And I just dab underneath and just like a little on the brow bone sometimes. And then you can't forget your lips. The last thing I'm gonna do is put a lip treatment on, and this is the Lancôme Absolue Nourishing Lip Balm. This is actually fairly new to me. The lip treatment I was using was Dior, but they're discontinued, so I'm gonna be using this one, mostly because it smells amazing. It just has like a very nostalgic, juicy tube scent, but more advanced. Get off all in here, I'm so chapped. Lastly, I wanna show you guys, I guess you would say my go-to masks. I love to face mask. I use all types of masks. That's one category of skincare that I love to experiment in. But when I know I need a pick-me-up, these are the two masks that I've been going to for a long time. This one especially for years now. This is the Glamglow Gravitymud and it's the firming treatment mask. This is the silver mask. It makes your face all silver and then you peel it off, and I love when you get to peel masks off because it's so satisfying to me. The reason I love this one is because it makes my skin feel like it's tighter. So before I have an event, I love to use this the night before and just get my skin right and tight. And then for hydration, I use the Lancôme Génifique. This is the Hydrogel Melting Mask. I love this mask. It just gives my face so much hydration. So if your skin's really dry, it looks really tired, I love this. And I'll use these in combination with each other. This one first, then this one, and it's just like, ah. And then lastly, the jet lag mask. This one is so, so great for plane rides, or even if you're just having extra dry under eyes or skin all over. But for me, I love to like put this mask on my under eyes because it hydrates and plumps the out of them, okay? For real. There isn't very many masks that you could use on your under eyes, and this one you can. I glob it on sometimes on flights so that when I land, my skin is really hydrated and it's just the best. And that's pretty much everything. I love hydration masks and I love firming masks. Those are my faves. All right, guys, so that's it. That is my current skincare routine. I hope I answered any of your questions. If I didn't, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer anything that you have for me. I hope you guys enjoyed my updated skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Good night. Good night. Boom. Do I have a booger up here? Has it been there the whole time? Q-tips are in this drawer. It's blocked by my camera equipment. Goddamn. Oh, shit. And then I also have, oh, there goes the cap. Gel cream. Is it creme? Crème.